Hi everyone, third day of our trip here in Singapore. It's so nice. Last night we're going to have look around and we're going to the boat to look around everywhere. That's so cool. And everyone still wake up that time. It's 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock, 12 is still open, everything. And even shop is still open. It's so good. But we're going to have a breakfast.
Oh my gosh, so yummy.
Coffee or tea?
No thank you. Salmon in the morning? Really?
Hi everyone, this is our breakfast morning. Ready to eat the breakfast, is so good.
I went for some fruit this time, and that's leftovers of a prune that I ate. It's so refreshing. All the Asians are eating like salads and stuff. That's why they're so skinny.
Your second round.
No, that is not your second one. Missed the 4 or 5 plates. No, thank you. Well, it's good if you mix it in. You have to try new things, honey. You can't just stay in your comfort zone forever, or else you'll be nothing and you'll go nowhere.
Trying to say something about all our subscribers and likes who send me a message to wish me a happy birthday. How much you love for us. And for me, for my birthday, thank you so much for wishes. God bless you all, guys. We bring more and more videos for you guys to make you feel happy.
Last night when we went on that little ferry ride, it was so far away from home in Siaosi, thought it was a good idea to walk home. I did not even have the right shoes on, and my feet hurt so much. Isn't that right, you little pest? Huh?
This is Bugis Junction. Bugis Junction.
Yeah.
Look, this is a banana top and watermelon. So nice.
Woo. So Aussie's gonna get speakers, or headphones, sorry.
We have 3 colors here.
So black, blue or green? Which one?
Take the blue.
Yeah, we'll take the blue one.
Right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cool. Just bought Aussie some headphones. He was really hesitant, but I mean, he works just as hard and I think that he deserves them. Yeah, you can put your name on it. You can put your name on it if you want. This is a game arcade. Darnell would love this. Oh my god. That's so expensive. You want to share one?
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll just get this one. We just stopped off to have some churros. We're just sharing the one because it's quite expensive. I found that Bugis Junction is more for tourism, and I feel like that's most of the reason why the prices are so high. I was expecting things to be really cheap, but I think that's only at flea markets and stuff. So we're trying to look for a flea market so that we can get, you know, value, like good value things, but at a cheaper price, because everything here, like to do acrylic nails. I went to a nail palace and I asked them how much it was just to do acrylic nails, and they had like all these ridiculous types of amounts, like $180 Singapore dollars, which to be honest is more than the Australian dollar at the moment. So that's like $180 just to do your nails. I had all these silly prices, and just to do acrylic nails, just the nails, was like $80.90. $80.90. Are you joking me? That's so expensive. It's like more expensive than Australia. We're gonna go to Chinatown after this to see if they've got anything else better to offer for us. It's still quite hot, but I find that everything here is like air conditioned, so it's not too bad because we're indoors most of the time. So we're not even gonna bother going upstairs. We're just gonna find an Uber and go straight to Chinatown. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
So big.
It is really big. It is really big, but it's so expensive as well. Like just for that churro thing that we had, just for one it was $6. I mean, I might be a tight ass and all, but seriously, for one churro, come on. I'm looking for like some real Singapore street food. We went for a walk down at Clarke Quay last night, and it was just too expensive. Like all of these places are like mainly for tourists. I don't really want to go where tourists go. I want the real part of Singapore. That's the type of Singapore that I want to experience, not this high-end tourism crap.
Singapore is going forward, move forward. It's not gonna stay as long as we can. It's gonna move forward. It's not gonna stay that you want.
Yeah, I like it. Siaosi's trying to say like Singapore is moving forward, so this is what it's like. But no. No.
You wanna try?
Wow.
Whoa, this is Singapore.
It's a dark chocolate. Oh, sorry. It's a dark chocolate. Don't look at my mouth. It's a dark chocolate and almond churro. What do you think? It's like a Ferrero Rocher.
The poster, the building. This is Chinatown Mall Point.
In Chinatown, you know?
What kind of food you like?
We really want to try some Singapore food.
Memphis.
Seafood?
No, we don't need seafood. We're in Chinatown, guys. Well, part of Chinatown. I think it's gonna rain, but we're trying to look for some nice food. Oh, this looks nice, honey. Yeah, takpo. We're trying to look for some real food, some street food. Alright, Siaosi wants us to keep walking. You want to keep walking?
Look, how nice it is.
Oh, cool. These are like lanterns. So cool.
Another thing for boss.
No, honey. I can't see. These glasses are so dark, honey.
Big Flea Market, eh?
Yeah, these are quite cool. You want to get one for our keys? Oh, $1. No? Oh my god, I need to get one of these. Oh! I want one. That is gross. Oh, how pretty. I want this one. I could smell these mangoes from far away. No, it doesn't. It's not nice. I'm so thirsty. We're still here, guys, and it's we're still here, guys. It's getting quite hot. Still haven't eaten yet. We're looking for a Samoan flag for the sevens we're going to. It's quite hard to even get souvenirs for friends. I've only bought one thing, but like I can't see anything here that my family would like. I'm hungry, honey.
No food over.
Siaosi wants to get this for Evan, my nephew. How cool would that be? We're looking for some food. We can't quite find an actual restaurant. We don't want to fine dine or whatever, but everything seems to be quite expensive. But we've stopped off at this Bee Chang Hang, fresh from the grill. We decided to get the pork one. Look at it. Fresh from the grill, apparently it's pork. It's like a pork jerky. Now we're just looking for like a place to eat. Oh babe, there's so many places right there.
Huh?
There's so many places. It's like almost 7 p.m. Everything is still pretty much functioning and open. Look at those crabs. Stocked off at this place. I'm not sure what it's called, but we've ordered some Korean food and some dumplings and some chicken fried rice.
I'm so tired. Walking everywhere in the Flea Market.
We've got minimal battery left, but we were able to record this. It's Gardens by the Bay. How pretty is it? That's the Marina Bay Sands just above it. We're gonna go roam the garden now. What you looking at, huh?
Hi everyone. Thank you for coming along with us today. But we're not gonna sleep, but we need to do the same thing we always do every videos.
What's that?
The comment of the day.
Oh. Oh yeah.
Guys.
Okay, I'm gonna say mine first because I picked one too. Oh, guys, we are so tired, honestly. We went out at about 12 and we just got back like an hour ago, like 8:30. So we were out for like 8 hours and a half just walking and walking and walking and walking around everywhere. But I'm gonna do my comment first, which is from, now please forgive me if I don't say it right, but it's Princess Lyle Oh, happy birthday to Siaosi and have a lovely trip. It's so exciting. Make sure you guys try the awesome Singaporean dishes like Singaporean chili mud crab. It's to die for. But we don't eat seafood, unfortunately. I did hear a lot about it as well, actually. Laksa, Hainan, chicken rice, and more. You can go to the night safari too. I'm Asian, so I love me some Asian food. Feel free to message me if you want, if you'd like more recommendation of Asian food in Singapore. Have a safe flight. Thank you so much. She has actually been helping me pick what kind of food that we can eat. So thank you so much, Leo. I'm so sorry.
The comment of the day for that video is Ames said and 823 Ames, yeah, safe travel guys, excited for the vlog to come, blessings. Ooh, thank you so much. Comment below and for liking and subscribing our vlogs. Thank you so much guys. Even all our subscribers, thank you so much.
Yeah.
It's so much fun here. To be honest, I'm telling you the truth. You need to pay your fares and come here to visit Singapore. It's so much fun. The main point is not good is the weather is hot, but everything is so much fun.
Thank you guys.
Bye everyone. We
No,
love you.
honey, I'm not finished.
Please subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.
No. So I'm just about to edit the vlog as well. And it's really annoying because we have to try and make sure that we come home a little bit earlier so that I can edit the vlog so I can put them up like one day at a time. So I'm not sure, because this one is quite lengthy, I'm not sure if I will get it up by tomorrow. But Siaosi just keeps like pestering me like, put the video up, put the video up, put the video up. But as soon as we get home he conks out and sleeps. So I'm like I'm up for like another 4 hours, 3 hours editing the vlogs while he's snoring his fat ass away. Look at him, he's ready to sleep again right now.
No. I'm helping to do the video.
No, you're not. What do you do?
Bye guys.